Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the numbers as the previous class, remember, from 1 to 100. But today we are going to talk about some maths activities. Today we are going to talk about addition, about the tens and units, la suma, las decenas y las unidades. But before we start with the topic from today's class, I would like that you do a little review activity of the previous class. So, for example, we have here the number 89 that you should write on your notebook. You should write on your notebook all of those numbers. Remember, write on your notebook. Esta va a ser una pequeña tarea y el profesor Germán y yo la vamos a estar revisando durante la sesión. Pues vamos a estar haciéndola también y repasando con ustedes en la sesión de Meet. Before we start with the addition, antes de empezar con las sumas, también vamos a hacer esta otra actividad que you should write on your notebook. We are going to count 2 by 2. Here we have 2, 4, 6, and the next number is 8. And you should write the following one, and you should write on your notebook, remember, until the last number. So the addition, la suma. Here we have some examples. We're going to start with this. That is A plus, this is the symbol plus, the plus symbol. A plus 4, it is equal to 12. This is the equal, and this is the plus symbol. Here we have some examples. A plus 4 is equal to 12. 50 plus 21 is equal to 71. 19 plus 30 equal to 51. So after the examples, we have here some additions. Remember, we are going to do the addition, but taking into account the number in English. For example, here we have 27 plus 34. Vamos a tener los números, vamos a tener en cuenta los números, pero en inglés, ¿cierto? Entonces, we have here 4 plus 7, it is equal to 11. I put 1 here, and I llevo una, ¿cierto? Entonces, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1, 6. Vamos a estar haciendo estas actividades en la clase de Meet, recuerden. También queda como tarea para que les vayan escribiendo los que no pueden conectarse a la clase. Y the next topic is tens and units, las decenas y las unidades. So let's check some examples. Here, for example, we have the number 36. 56. Y como ya saben, pues las decenas y las unidades se representan así. En un número de dos cifras, el primer número representa las decenas. Entonces nosotros tenemos acá, we have here 3 tens. 3 tens, 1, 2, and 3. And on the other hand, we have the units. We have the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And those together create the number 36. Remember, here we have another example. Number 71. We have here, remember, the first number represents the tens, and the second one represents the units. So we have here 71. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 1 unit. Here we don't have the number. But we have the tens and units represented by rectangles, rectángulos, and squares, cuadrados. So what number should be here? ¿Qué número debería de ir acá in the blue circle? So we should count them. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number should be 55. Remember, here we have another one. Here we have the tens and units. So esta es una pequeña parte de la actividad de tarea y nada más. Bye bye. We are going to see you in the mid session. Bye.